Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix wireless reverse charging not working on the VIVO X300. Let's begin! First you want to go into the settings, then scroll down and go into battery settings. Then scroll down one more time and head into battery health and charging, and finally you can scroll all the way down. And here we should see the reverse wireless charging, and as you can see, by default this is disabled. All you want to do is make sure that you have this enabled, and now we even have a little tutorial on how to really do it. You want to place the wireless charging supported device on this device's back, and this feature will auto-disable in 1 minute if not used. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.